Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today is still Planmas. Whoop whoop. So we have so much to be excited about today. I want to announce the winner for for Saturday's giveaway. Now, on Friday, I also announced a giveaway winner, or a giveaway. I announced a giveaway, and I want to let you all know after I announce this when that giveaway will be announced. So, for the squad goals, winner, if I didn't confuse you, because I just confused myself a little bit, and I'm gonna butcher the name. I gotta keep it consistent here, people, for all the name butchering. Luana Turlizzi. Luana Turlizzi. That is probably the best it's going to get said, so hopefully I got that right. Send me your information, girl, and I will get this in the mail. So for all the winners thus far, any future winners, I probably am going to be doing this in one big schloop and getting them all out at the same time, or close there too. So expect them to be shipped right around Christmas time. It'll be like your little after Christmas. Isn't that exciting? All right, now for today's giveaway. Make Things Happen mini sticker book. Okay, I love this sticker book. It is like so fun. You can't see it, but there's a lot of good stuff in there. And I'm not going to open it and ruin it. It is adorable. Love it. So let me know what you're going to do to make things happen in 2019. And give the video a big thumbs up. And be a subscriber. As most of you know, I'm trying to reach that 10,000 subscriber goal. I think I'm about 8,100 or so right now, 8,200, somewhere in that intermix. So if you are not a subscriber yet, you should be, and help me reach that goal before the end of the year, or as close as I can get to it. But I'm really holding out hope that we're going to get there. So for all y'all, let's get started on the fun stuff. It's video time now. And I really, I forgot. Fridays giveaway video. For those of you who were on that video, it was a live stream video, and I announced a giveaway on there, and we're going to announce the winner on that live stream this coming Friday, which should be, if all goes as planned, at 9 p.m. Eastern time. I will be live again with my hubby, and we're just going to be hanging out and doing some fun stuff and just having a grand old time. So if you missed the first one, mark your calendars now to come hang out with us, and I think I'm going to find something fun for us to do while we're on the live stream. So, all right, now it's time to get started on the other. So, it's planner time, people. All right, so as we start the new year, I set up a lot of my planners to get them ready to go, and then I've reset up a couple of them. And this is going to be my main work planner, which is the planner I spend the majority of my time in a lot of times. And I want to have it ready to go and prepared. And I kind of did a little Franken planning and so we're just going to run through it and see what, how things are working, what's going on, how I'm liking things. But I'm going to give you a little bit of a flip through of just some general setup. So I've gone back and forth about 10 times with this cover versus the other cover, which is, oh my goodness, I'm dropping stuff everywhere. Which is this beautiful cover with these beautiful discs. So here's the thing. I love this cover and I love these discs. This encompasses all of Megan right here. Like love and color and fun and just the whole thing. But I do not like the plastic discs. They just feel more flimsy. They just aren't, they're just not the same as the color or as the metal discs. So I had a challenge. I had a choice to make. I had a decision. Decisions. I had decisions to make. And I decided I was going to put that cover on and make colorful discs with the metal discs from all my other planners, which I did, and I do love them. But then that cover still didn't really match them because it was like so colorful. So I decided to put this one back on, and I think I like it. I'm actually pretty happy with it. So, happy looks good on you. That's right, because I'm a happy girl. All right, so now I'm not doing the transforming planner with my main planner because I want to put it in a big thing, and I just feel like for this particular planner, it's probably better not being a transforming planner. This is just better to have it like this. So, okay, so now let's open it up and start looking through it. So you have my name, obviously, first of all, and then you have the perpetual calendar, which I love. I have sticky notes up front, a little envelope. I have my little inspiration cards, which I love having with me. I'm going to put a quote there, just haven't done it yet. Or a sticker, if I find a sticker I really love that I want to put there. Then you have January, and I have 3 months in here. My monthly, this is just the divider between the two for the Franken planning. Now I have my January. Now I only put 1 month in of this one. And this is going to be my hourly calendar planner. Then February, March, another little insert. This reminds me of like a shirt or something. I feel like it should be. The extras tab, which I left because I really love these. I'll probably use these quite a bit. And I like the size of them. My dry erase board. Payday schedule that I made. Goals. This is gonna be my goal section. Coaching notes. This will be my coaching note section. So this will be a lot of filler paper that goes in, and ideas section. So any type of business ideas that I have about. So that's what I have so far. Now I need to add these things to them, and then we're gonna discuss a little bit about how I'm gonna do each thing. So. Now, I'm not sure how I feel about the side pockets versus the, I like the ones that are not sides as much. These don't do it as much for me, but they're still cute. They still work. So what I actually am doing, this sounds so silly, but I'm actually looking up in the camera to see which one I feel like looks the best from afar, because my views on it down below are a little bit different. I think now this is going to be the winner. I think I'm going to do, I don't know, I actually kind of like this one. It's like, swoop, let's see. I don't think I like this one. This one's out. Sorry, flowers, you're gone. So it's either this one, which I like what it says. I like the colors on it, or this dark blue. I think I'm going to go with the dark blue. Decided. It is decided. Now, here's what I will say. These are very sticky, but I would not trust your, like, you know, most important things in here. I don't think it's that sturdy. If you have, like, a check for $4 million and you just, like, slide it into your planner, don't do that. Just don't for me. Ah. Uh-oh. I hope that like, doesn't ruin the stick. It still feels pretty sticky. Alright, now put a lot of pressure. Get it all nice and down. Ah! You like my sound effects? I'm a good sound effector. Alright. And there you go. So when you get your check for $4 million, there's better places to put it. Just gonna throw that out there. Alright, so without further ado, let's continue onward. Patches! I don't totally know. I think I'm gonna pull one of these off, and I'm considering where I'm gonna put this, but I should put those over there because I really shouldn't just like that. My office is a mess, everyone. I'm so disappointed. I gotta clean it. I have to clean. It's the last thing on the list to get cleaned yesterday because I'm the only one allowed to touch any of it, and I just didn't do it. All right. Now, I like to keep 2 pens with me, so I do put an extra pen loop right there. And then over here, I decided to do the white this year, switch it up. I had the black last year, and I'll probably vinyl the outside like I did last year too. Okay. Now they're stuck on little like glue dots, but they do have little peel areas. Okay. Isn't that so cute? I love it. I think I'm only going to put that one though. I think I'm going to leave it just as beautiful. Actually, I'm going to put the bow right above it. Because, like, just look how much fun it is with the bow. The bow's so cute. Even though I don't wear bows, I just think they're cute. So what I'll say is I'm not like a super girly girl, but I'm not really a girl who likes to do, like, I am a girly girl, just not quite. Look how cute that is. That's so cute. Okay, all right. Yeah, like I can get my hands dirty, but probably don't really want to. Like that's how I am. I can do it. I'm not scared, but right now these, I love these. These are one of my favorite things. It's great for taking bigger notes and then making like big notes. Basically what I just said on places that you want. So I have to find a good place to put these. My bracelet is, I'm going to take it off. I think it's just, okay. Alright, so, take note, gorgeous. I just love how, like, self-affirming this planner is. It calls me pretty so much. XOXO loves me. I just can't get over it. I just really can't. Jot it down, jot it down. Alright, let's see here. I feel like this is a good spot for them, like right at the start of the month. But then I don't know if I should put them up further. The only thing I will say about these, if I was to have one complaint, I have loved these from a long time. But I love that these have a dashboard. They're on a dashboard and it's easy to say, you know what, actually I changed my mind. It's easy to say, like, know where they are. But with these, you don't really know. However, I'm going to put them right here because there is a dashboard. So if I can remember, I will just flip directly to them. And the only other thing, if I was to have any other complaints, is they are very thick. So you have to make sure that you, girl, you totally got this. Happy notes are being, you're being mindful of the space because they are going to thicken up your planner a lot. So, like I only have 4 total months in my planner right now and a bunch of like thick dashboards, but outside of that, like there's only 4 months in here and it feels pretty full. It's pretty thick. So let's do another flip, or I want to say walk through, which is a housing term. Let's not do that. Let's not walk through the house. Let's do a flip through of the planner. So I have the colorful discs that I made on them. I'm really loving this. I think this turned out good. Let me know what you think. I really want to know your opinion. And then I am going to go ahead and leave this cover on there, which I am super excited about. Then you have my name, which I did in vinyl. I kind of fudged it up, but you know what? I'm going to leave it and it's going to be good. And the perpetual calendar, which I think this was brilliant. Like, I think every planner should have this. And if you don't have it, you should make one because it really is going to make your life a lot easier when you're trying to remember dates. If you're like me and you like to only have a few months in at a time, this is vital. Super exciting. Okay, the month at a glance, or the overview, whatever you want to call this, dates to remember, which is going to be birthday dates, and jot it down, note to self. I'm going to do something really fun here, and then of course you're on the bottom. This is super cute. I love it. And sticky notes, I have loved their sticky notes, even the dark blue up top. Love the color scheme of them. Love them. Love this thing. Have my inspiration cards in here, which are going to make it fun. Then of course, my monthly, which I will decorate very soon. Super cute. It's just really cute on its own. It's not going to require a lot of decoration. The only negative is that you're going to have to be limited with what you decorate because it's going to be very specific to what goes with these colors. Sleepy. And the same thing with the weeklies. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do the weeklies because they're already so decorated that it could be a little bit hard to kind of do a spread with the colors that it already has on there. But I will find a way. You rest assured, I will find a way. And then we're going down here to my hourly section, which the month, it also has the same month at a glance. I will probably do some different things here. And then January, probably won't really decorate this month. I don't think I'll really use that month overview. And then hourly, of course, I'm going to break this down per hour. I'm going to put a few things at the top, and then I'm going to time out the hours on the side, and this is going to be my hourly. I'll probably put one of those sticker strips maybe through the month, and as soon as I'm done with the month, I'll probably pull the months out and then, redo them. Then I'll have my other spare months for this one, my extras tab. These I'm going to use just in the day-to-day. My dry erase board, I'm going to make notes on here as my work kind of goals for the day specifically, and maybe put it in my daily, but get it kind of going that way. Goals section, of course, self-explanatory goals. Got to get up with the goals. And coaching notes, this is where I'm going to keep some of the goal setting pages or some filler paper and just be ready to go for when I have a coaching call. And ideas tab, this is my tab for any type of time that I have an idea that is going to be business idea or anything that I want to implement on. It's going to go back here. So that's how I'm going to use this for work only. So it is a Franken planned planner, but it doesn't have everything I need in this one planner. This is really dedicated to work and my goals for work related items. So as I get into more, I'm going to incorporate another yawn, guys. I'm just really tired tonight, evidently. I'm going to incorporate more of that into my other planner if there's anything home related and then budget related, which I probably will have to do a breakdown of my budget in this one as well, and get it ready for the new year. And then on the outside, I'm a big fan of these covers. I just feel like they help keep everything in one place, but I probably will do something on the outside to put some vinyl and just make it look a little bit more fun and just colorful and keep with the theme of what I have inside. And then this is just going to be dedicated to that purpose. So I'm really excited about it. I think it turned out great. I love the Franken plan. It's got everything in here now ready to go. Just the other things that I don't have in here are in my other planner. So, but time-wise, this one does seem to always still get the majority of my time. So it kind of runs my day. This one runs my day more than the others, but I will show you a plan with me on that very soon. Make sure to mark your calendars for Friday, and I think that's it for today. So give the video a big thumbs up. Make sure you are a subscriber to be entered into the giveaway, and I can't wait to see you on the next video, which is going to be so much fun. So I will see you all then. I hope you're enjoying your holiday season. Have a great day.